Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Cadillac ELR plug-in hybrid, stock number X103XX. Only 32,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal white in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 4-year, 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. ELR seats 4, leather interior. Seats tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get the second row. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Wide trunk opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This ELR has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Leather wrapped steering wheel is heated grip for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large CUE infotainment system, large touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Can sync smartphones to the Pandora radio app. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. You can also track where the power is coming from between the gas and the electric motor. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, including heated front seats, automatic transmission, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener. As I said, the ELR is a plug-in hybrid. Uses an electric motor to power the vehicle most of the time until the battery is empty, and then switches over to a gas engine for additional distance, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. For more information on this ELR, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.